Hey everyone, okay, so foundations. There's tons on the market. I like to stick to the ones that I generally know, and I'm happy to try anything, but I always come back to the same ones. Now, I spoke about this, a year ago, a year and a half ago, more? Laura Mercier, this is Real Flawless Foundation. You'll see the demo as I'm talking. I think it's still one of the greatest liquid foundations. It's quite silicone-y. I don't even know if it has silicones, but it does feel that silicone-y nature. But here is the finished article on me as I'm talking. It looks like real skin. It has a dewy nature to it, but not really emollient, but dewy. It feels light. It doesn't feel heavy or cakey or like it's sitting thick on the skin. It has really good coverage properties as well, but bordering on light to medium, but buildable. I don't quite know what there's to dislike, for me anyway. And it's not sponsored. I've never been sponsored by Laura Mercier. I don't even know if I've ever got anything free from them. I don't know. But no, I don't think so. But it's beautiful. And that's why I like to show it on my skin, because I'm 47 shortly. And I think it's important that you see what it looks like on skin my age. And it looks flawless. Let me know what you think. Oh, see you next time. Bye-bye.